Hello, in this video, we will learn how to pin a message in WhatsApp. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the WhatsApp application. I will go to a chat with a friend to show you an example of how the pin feature works. As you can see, this person has pinned a link I sent to them so they can view it later. Now, I will tap on it to see the message they pinned. Now, I will show you how to pin a message. First, I will enter any chat. Then, you will press and hold on any text, link, image, voice recording, or anything you want to avoid losing and refer back to later. Next, tap on the three dots. Here, you will see the pin option. Tap on it. You will see this menu asking you to select the duration you want to pin the message for. Finally, tap on Pin. As you can see, the message has been pinned. To unpin the message, press and hold here. Then, click on the Unpin option. As you can see, we have successfully added and removed a pin easily without complications. I hope this explanation has been helpful to you. Lastly, please support us by liking the video and subscribing to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.